What is soil? On a dish, we call it food. On a carpet, we call it soil. Wherever it's not wanted, it's called soil. You have dry soil removal with a broom, a dust mop, a duster, and even an electric vacuum cleaner. Wet soil remover, carpet extractors, mopping a floor, a spray bottle with a wiping cloth, a power washer, and then a water vacuum picking up the soiled solution. Spots versus stains. A spot is a soil buildup area that can be washed away. A stain is a permanent surface color change that cannot be washed away. Washing is moving soil from where it is not wanted to where it's okay down the drain. Soil is home and food for germs and other microorganisms. Basically, they recycle the soil. Nature uses germs and other microbes to separate soil nutrients and return them back into the earth for reuse. As germs and microbes process soil, foul-smelling gases are often released. Bottom line, if there's an odor, there is soil somewhere. A clean surface is sanitary and odor-free. Germs travel in the soil going down the drain with the dirty water to eventually end up in the earth to complete the nutrient recycling job for nature. Chemical action. Applying a washing solution onto soil to break it up so that it gets held within water molecules. Mechanical action is adding abrasion to the process, water pressure, or brushing to reduce washing time and potentially improve results. Now there's only 3 soils: acid, alkaline, and binders. Most acid and alkaline soils dissolve in water, such as sugar, flour, yeast, eggs, and they get mixed into and held by the cleaning solution. Soil that gets partially dissolved or broken up by a detergent are called soil particulates, what many times can be found as little grit pieces at the bottom of a mop bucket, wash pail, etc. Acid soils are generally tracked into and throughout a building in a variety of ways. Use alkaline detergents to remove acid-based soils. Alkaline detergents are also known as general detergents. Alkaline soils are typically found in toilets, urinals, drinking fountains, sinks, showers, and on fixtures in bathrooms. Hand soap residue is alkaline. Use acid-based detergents to wash alkaline-based soils. Use acid detergents also to remove alkaline buildup from swimming pool decks. It helps prevent slipping and it keeps surfaces sanitary. Binders are grease, oil, or animal fat, or any combination thereof. Binders are sticky and do not dissolve in water. Soils cling to binders. Binders repel water. In order to mix with the water, binders need to be emulsified, that is, chemically chopped up into micro-sized pieces that remain sticky and continue to grasp onto micro-sized soil particles. Water molecules absorb the micro-sized binders holding on to the micro-sized soil. With binders and soils securely in the water, the dirty water can now travel to its final destination. Now, the benefits of using cold water: floors will be free of binder residue while they're rendering utmost safety. As you can see in the picture, everything in that cold water glass, all the soil floated to the top of the water because the water was cold. The surface being washed will be left squeaky clean. No left behind binders to speed up the collection of new soils. Now, the disadvantages of using hot water for washing: hot water causes binders to melt, and when they melt, they release their payload. They release the soil into the water. Released soils move freely in the washing solution. As the water's heat gets transferred into the cold surface being washed, many melted binders stick to the cool surface and then begin to collect soils that are floating in the washing solution. Soil-holding binders remain sticky even after the surface dries, and it continues to grab and hold new soils. As the soils build, odors, slippery floors, and ugliness intensify. Now, how do we achieve housekeeping excellence? There's a pattern for it. You educate, you train, and then you have to have a leader. And you have to recognize the workers who perform their responsibilities with a talent. You teach using a logical format. Logical facts are the most easy to remember. You set protocol for symptoms versus problems. Symptoms warn of a problem that needs solving. Solving the problem then raises staff performance levels. Use Gabriel High Performance products because they'll reduce your product consumption, raise your staff productivity, and improve job quality. That's a win-win-win setup. Here's some pictures that were sent to us by people using our products and our housekeeping systems. Thank you. And to learn more about our housekeeping education and training systems using high-performance products, call us at 800-873-2000, or you can email us or visit our website. And at our website, you can find the link to our education department, which is free to anyone who enters. We'll help you achieve extraordinary results for less than your current costs. And again, thank you.